Welcome to Sports Prophecy TV, where we dive into the world of sports and uncover the stories that matters to you. Today, we're discussing the pressing issues that has been haunting the Jamaica's football scene, the World Cup nightmare caused by a passport crisis. We'll explore the lack of coordination between the Football Federation, the government, and the Minister of Sports, so let's get started. Jamaica, a country known for its vibrant culture and athletic prowess, has been faced with significant setbacks in its pursuit for World Cup glory. The root of the problem lies in the passport crisis that has prevented many talented players from representing their nation on the world stage. The passport crisis stems from a lack of coordination between the Jamaica Football Federation, the government, and the Minister of Sports. This has resulted in numerous players unable to obtain the necessary documentation to compete in international tournaments, including the prestigious World Cup qualification. The JFF has been criticized for its inability effectively to communicate with the government and the Minister of Sports, leading to delays and confusion in the passport application process. This has left many players in limbo, unsure of their eligibility to represent Jamaica on the international stage. The consequence of this crisis has been devastating for the Jamaica national team. With key players missing out on crucial matches, the team's performance has suffered and their chances of qualification for the World Cup have been severely diminished. The absence of these players has not only affected the team's performance on the field, but also the morale of the entire squad. The uncertainty surrounding the eligibility of the teammates has created a sense of frustration and disappointment among the players who have been working tirelessly to bring glory to the nation. The Jamaican government and the Minister of Sports have a crucial role to play in resolving this crisis. They must work closely with the JFF to streamline the passport application process and ensure that all eligible players can represent Jamaica without any bureaucratic hurdles. It's essential for the government and the Minister of Sport to ensure that the importance of sports, particularly football, in uniting the nation and promoting a sense of pride by addressing the passport crisis. They can demonstrate their commitment to supporting Jamaica's athletic fostering and a winning culture by working out these logistic issues. Thank you for tuning in to Sports Prophecy TV, and I'm your host, Jay Taylor. Until next time.